My name is Kate and I'm going to talk to you about proofreading. You finished your assignment and can't wait to hand it in, but hold on, now it's time to proofread. A well-proofread assignment shows that you've taken care of your work. When typing, make sure that your spell check and grammar check is turned on Word. And when you've corrected the obvious errors, read the assignment slowly out loud. Reading out loud will pick up sentences that are too short and choppy or too long and meandering. Try to aim for a mix of long and short sentences. Play with sentences, and if they aren't sounding good, look at ways to change them. Most students fear grammar. People think that their grammar is worse than it actually is. But how can we improve it? The best method is to use feedback and corrections from essays to identify your most common errors. This can be used to create a useful checklist for proofreading. The most common errors are wrong words, such as it's or its, there or there. And if you have doubts, check them out. Other common mistakes are with apostrophes for possessives. Students, plural, students, plural possessive, belonging to more than one student, or students, belonging to one student. Time is important and our eye will correct mistakes, so it's important to leave your assignment for a day or two and see it again with fresh eyes, or swap assignments with another student for a complete new perspective. Give yourself time, really that's the key message. Plan your time so that you have time to do this. Even set yourself a false deadline for the assignment. To recap, read your drafts out loud. Play around with sentence structure, mind your grammar, and plan your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.